So I'm just going to go through the actual plank. I'm not going to go through any regressions, but I'm going to show you how I go through it. So first things first, hands are going to go directly under the shoulders. We don't want them in front, we don't want them too far behind, we just want shoulders stacked over the wrists. That's a nice strong position. Once you're in this position, what I would do is, I like to work through the cat-cow, because then you are fully tucking the pelvis under, so you're getting that posterior pelvic tilt, but also you're rounding the spine. And you'll notice that because you're flexing the spine, that's what's really going to engage the abdominals. Now, this isn't a core exercise to strengthen your abs or to reveal them. This is basically using those muscles to get you into the strongest position possible. That's the purpose of it. So once we're here, tailbone down, what I do is extend one leg back. Now, as I do that, I make sure that this leg is in tension, okay? We're not just sticking it out with no tension, okay? You want to keep that tailbone tucked, and I'm almost pointing the toe, and I'm feeling the quads contract as well, because that's what we're doing. We're flexing the whole front body. And then once I'm in this position, super strong, I stick the other leg back, and you'll notice very little movement. A commonality that I see is sometimes when I get people into this position, they'll just quickly step back into there, and then they've lost the shoulder being placed or stacked directly over the hands, which is not what we want. We want, this is where you're strong. So make sure shoulders stay over the hands, stick one leg back, stick the other leg back, and maybe even just bring the toes together to squeeze the thighs together. And then that is a really strong hollow body plank, and I'm already shaking, okay? Now, the objective isn't really to hold that for as long as possible, okay? If I was to do a plank that I was holding as long as possible, I wouldn't do any of that. I'll just get into a position like this, because there's very little force and energy used in that. But because here, we're actually thinking about contracting as much as possible, it's gonna be a lot more fatiguing. I'm already shaking, you can hear it in my voice. And that's what we want to do, because that's how we're really training all the muscles that we need to. So there you have it, guys. That is how you should perform all of your planks from now on. Me being biased, using my calisthenics background, but that's how I'd like you to perform them. Again, we're really training the shoulders, we're really training the front body, and even the glutes are involved as well, as we're tucking that tailbone under, and that's just gonna get you a nice, strong, solid unit. And if you are someone who's interested in calisthenics, it's gonna help you to perform those more advanced moves. But if not, it's just going to help you know how to engage your body as much as possible, which really does transfer to all kinds of movements and skills in whatever athletic pursuits that you're into. If you've got any questions on that, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and again, I'll see you in the next video.